In this video, we'll be talking about the best faceless YouTube automation channel ideas that will make you rich. And these are the best niches to get into because they are in high demand, they have a good CPM, which is cost per mil, or cost per 1,000 views. And with these niches, you can also make money before even being monetized on YouTube. The first channel idea is the tech and gadget niche. You can make videos about gadgets that will help solve people's problems. And when you have a product that solves a problem, it gives people a reason to buy. And there's a channel in this niche called Cool Gadgets, and they've gotten over 17 million views over the past 30 days, and they're making between $4,400 and $70,500, which is insane. And they mainly post YouTube Shorts, so they post these videos showing how the products are used, and they put the link of the product in the pinned comment. And this channel is making money from Google AdSense and affiliate marketing, so they make money from YouTube and from the products that they're promoting. And you can also do the same. They were also able to grow to more than 100,000 subscribers with posting YouTube Shorts. And the CPM for this niche ranges from $8 to $25. And the gadget channel probably even makes more than we saw on Social Blade, because the numbers that we saw on Social Blade was between $0.25 and $4 per 1,000 views, so they most likely make double the amount that we saw. The second channel idea is in the wealth and luxury niche, and the CPM ranges from $10 to $50. And there's a channel in this niche called Business Stories, and they talk about popular companies, and their monthly income is between $149 to $2,400. And what you can do in this niche is talk about the top richest people in the world and how they made their wealth. Or you can talk about popular companies such as Prada, Starbucks, Nike, and Amazon and give a story about how they started. So when you use something that is popular to people, this will make them intrigued and want to watch your video. So what happens is that people who have an interest in the companies you're storytelling about will be recommended your content by YouTube. So if you love Starbucks, then YouTube will be recommending videos about Starbucks. And this is because YouTube wants to keep you on the app for as long as possible. The third channel idea is the personal finance niche, and the CPM ranges from $15 to $35. And you can make videos talking about trending topics including how to prepare for the recession and inflation. And there's a channel in this niche called Everyday Money, and they talk about the many ways on how to make money online. And on Social Blade, it shows that they make between $53 and $850 a month, but they probably make 3 to 5 times that amount. And if you want to learn how to start your e-commerce store today with only $100, make sure to watch the video in the description box below.